Alright, so it's time to do an oil change on Garfield. I do my own oil changes, so why not vlog it? Alright, we got everything we need here. We got our ramps, we got our new oil and filter, our drain pan, our funnel, rags, towel to put on the ground to catch anything, and socket to get the skid plate access panel off, gloves, and some paper towels. Let's do this. Alright, I got the drain pan under here. Go ahead and drain the oil. Now I bought this drain valve from a company called Easy Oil Drain Valve back when I started doing my oil changes. It makes it really easy to drain your oil. There's a little spring that goes around this. Started to get off. Basically, you just release it, and out comes your oil. No messing with drain plugs and new crush washers and getting the drain plug out of the oil after you drop it in there. Just comes off. I think the thing was like 18, 20 bucks. Not too bad. Definitely worth it. Alright, well that's draining. I'm going to go ahead and remove the skid plate access panel right here. There's just a little panel Nissan put in here so you can reach in and get to the oil filter. It's held on to 10mm screws. I think on some model Xterras this is plastic, but on the off-road and over X models like Garfield is, they are metal. They will come out. There we go. Bubble, bubble. So go ahead and let that drip for a while before we take off the filter. Saw an advertisement the other day for a place that does your oil change in 5 minutes. There's no way you can do an oil change in 5 minutes and properly get all the oil out. Ridiculous. People will see the price, and it only takes 5 minutes, and they'll go do it. And they'll be posting on the internet complaining about it. My car blew up. Alright, I think it's finally done. Close it. Let's go do it a little. Come on. Position this. There. This hole is not very big. I can take this off and show you. The hole for the oil filter. Not very big. See it up there? Probably harder to see because the oil filter is actually black. But It's not so simple to actually get it out with your hand through that hole. So I just reach through. I don't really need special tools for this. I need the gloves to give you a little extra grip. I just reach through the side. Skid plate over here. There's the filter right here. Still a little warm. I let the truck sit out here for about half an hour. Get back. And Nissan actually built a little ramp from under the engine for oil to drain out of this hole. As I loosen this, you'll see oil start to drain out. There it goes. A little bit. Eventually I'll get it off the threads. All right, there we go. It's off. All right. Just stick that there. All right. I don't really understand why some people pay to have this done. You have a little bit of mechanical ability. It takes half an hour at most. In this truck I had free oil changes on it up to 80,000 miles through Nissan. So after that ran out, I've been doing it myself. Not that big a deal. Just off of the little ramp there now. Seems messy. Alright, got our new filter. Open this up. The Xterra takes a 3323 filter. And at some point I chose to use Bosch filters. I don't know why. I just know I didn't want to use Fram. And K&N's a little expensive. So this is sort of an in-between. They're like $4 a piece. 3323 Bosch, that would be Xterra's 2005 to 2015. If it matters to you. I don't know what the odds of other Xterra owners watching this would be, but there. A little oil. Stick on the seal here. Reach in there. Use that access hole for letting the oil drain out. Let's find the threads with my finger. Thread it on. There it goes. Hands off so I get a good grip on it. I just hand tighten it. It's never come off, so there's an actual like torque tool for this. But that's that. We'll get this cover back on and then fill it up with oil. I kept dripping last time a little bit after I changed the oil. Ramp. that side's always tighter. Snug them up. You're good. Alright, got our funnel. Wipe it off. Use the same funnel to put the old oil into the recycling container. So I'll go ahead and clean it out. Alright, filter. Stick the funnel in there. Our new oil bottle. Now the Xterra takes 5 1/8 quarts of oil. That's why we have this little bottle. So it'll take that out of that one. And this is a 5-quart container. So basically we'll dump this in there and then a little bit out of that one. I use Castrol high mileage synthetic blend. Take our small bottle here, and an 1/8. That much. Ain't that good enough? That's that. This is still there. Put our cap back on. Messy part. Putting oil back in the container. Get our box for that oil filter here. That. Manners do not spill too much this time. Get down into both hands. Go ahead and get a little dipstick. Good. Just love having neighborhood kids. All right, we're done. Garfield has new oil. One thing you may notice that's different from my Xterra than the one you might have is I don't have a prop rod on the hood. I bought this little kit on eBay. 40 bucks for hood chocks. They're actually made for the Nissan Navara, which is what they call the Frontier in other countries. I got them from an eBay seller in Malaysia. Basically, you just take off your two hood bolts here and put a ball socket there. And you take off this screw on the fender here, put another ball socket there. And it raises it about 4 more inches than the stock height with a little prop rod. So, don't have to mess with that anymore. Money well spent. I don't get my oil change done at the shop. Every time I change the oil, I just take a picture of the Xterra up on the oil change ramps here. And then I take a picture of the odometer. That way, the next time I'm wondering, when did I change my oil last? I can just scroll through the photos on my phone and see. Get it off the ramps. I'll go ahead and close this first. Alright, so I'm just going to put everything away now, and that'll be it. See you again on another day. Skid plate off, or the access. Okay, let's do that again without a finger in the way.